Hi guys, this is Matthew speaking for Offer Hunters, Offer Shooters. We are here at the trade show Jagd und Hund in Dortmund 2026, and we are here now at the booth of Carl Walther with the exciting news of a new gun called RS3. Next to me is Bernhard Knöbel, the CEO from Carl Walther. And Bernhard, please introduce this gun to the English-speaking audience.
Good morning, Matthias. Great to have you here. Yeah, welcome everyone here in Dortmund. Well, hunting has changed over the last couple of years. Today we hunt with silencers. We use night vision. Still, the driven hunt is a very important hunting method, and still, of course, stalking, shooting from high seat. Maybe not as much as in the last years, but still, it is important. And the silencer, yeah, puts a challenge onto every hunting rifle. So you take a conventional bolt action rifle, put a silencer at the muzzle, and it becomes nose heavy and hard to maneuver, and basically the pointability is gone. So what can you do? You have two options. Either you cut the barrels, which is depending on the caliber not a very good idea, or you take the barreled action and move it backwards. Mm-hmm. There were designs in the past that have done the same thing, but very often ergonomics suffered, and so the bolt was at a weird place, etc., etc. So our concept was we need to move the barrel backwards, otherwise we will never gain proper pointability. Mm-hmm. But we need to have the controls where they're supposed to be. So basically, every item on a rifle, every piece of control has a sweet spot. So you have your length of pull, which is 365 millimeters in our case. You have your trigger, so the bolt knob should be pretty close to the trigger, right? It should be close to the trigger. It shouldn't be too far back so that you don't hit your knuckle with the bolt knob. So this is where we put the bolt knob. We put a nice dimension on the bolt knob so that you're always in the driver's seat. You want to be in control of what you are doing. This is very important because you want to focus on your game, on your hunting, and not fiddle around with your rifle all the time. So the next very important element was the manual cocking. For us, it was important that we do not only have a conventional safety, we want a manual cocking device, because if you have manual cocking and the rifle is uncocked, your cartridge is as safe as in your pocket. Mm-hmm. And I show you how it works. So basically, you push it all the way forward, slightly upward, so it can engage. Now the rifle is cocked and ready to fire. To disengage, put it forward, down a little bit, backwards, and again the rifle is completely uncocked. To open the rifle, you only have to put a slight tip on the cocking lever, and then you can open the rifle without even cocking it. Now you can maneuver with it, you can load it, etc. Your bolt is open, so everyone can see the rifle is in a safe position. Well, and now you know that I'm a big fan, or almost a freak, when it comes to pointability. Mm-hmm. And pointability is actually a mix of different determining factors. So it's first of all the overall weight, that is important. Secondly, it is the balance, of course. And third, and this is very, very important, it is the weight distribution. So you have your center of gravity. The center of gravity of this rifle is right here, where the trigger guard ends. So you have the weight of your rifle between your hands, but then this weight is distributed in a proper and good way towards the muzzle and also towards the back. Mm-hmm. I'm sure you have that. You have had that. And you have experienced this from shotguns or double rifles maybe. You take a shotgun, even if the stock is right, the one feels perfect, and the other one is just not doing what it's supposed to do. Same with double rifles, and that's exactly what I mean. This is exactly what the term pointability says. It means that the rifle points where you look at, It shoots where you aim, and then of course it is important that you can work the bolt pretty fast, and this is what we have here. So when I cock the rifle, ready to go, bang, bang, and of course the rifle remains cocked as long as you have the cocking lever in the front position. To disengage it, push it forward, slide backward, and the rifle is safe again. What is also quite nice, if you mount your rifle properly, that means you have your nose down, you have your barrel down, then you just put the cocking lever here into your knuckle and bring the rifle up in one flow, in one movement, and you're ready to go.
Mm-hmm. Bernhard, with which caliber you start?
308.
Okay.
Because that's the majority. Today it's over 50% usually, and then we will come with a 300 Win Mag most probably, 30-06, and then probably the 857 9.3. We'll see about the 6.5 Creedmoor, we'll see about the 270, but yeah, that's where it's going.
Okay, my last question for this presentation is you presented it here for the audience the first time in Dortmund. What is the reaction from the audience?
Very positive. I have to say, I knew that this rifle, because it's a very innovative concept, it's almost a bit radical, it would polarize, but I think it polarized less than I expected. So we are very motivated, very happy about the reaction so far.
Okay, well, and now it's your turn. Before we forgot, you didn't mention the magazine.
The magazine, oh yeah.
Okay.
So we got a single stack magazine. The magazine has there's three important factors on a magazine. First, it's capacity. Yeah. Secondly, it's easy to load. And number three, it's reliability. And so we put a single stack magazine in, six rounds capacity in standard calibers and 5 rounds in Magnum calibers.
Okay. Well, thank you very much, Bernhard.
You're welcome.
And now it's your turn. Please comment this video. What do you think about this new invention from Carl Walther from Ulm? And we are expecting your reactions. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Matze. Thank you.